Welcome to the Financial and Lifestyle Freedom Podcast. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to create profitable growth for your small business without any guesswork. My name is Annette Ferguson, and I am a chartered accountant, certified profit first professional and business growth strategist with over 10 years of experience. In today's episode, I want to talk about something that's really important for a small business: creating predictable and profitable growth. A lot of people think it's impossible to achieve this kind of growth without making a lot of risky moves, but that's just not true. And I'm going to show you how to do this using some simple techniques that honestly anyone can apply. So stay tuned. And number one is understanding what growth means for your small business. It can be difficult to understand exactly what growth means for your business. You could focus on expanding your customer reach, rewarding loyal customers, upselling products, or even diversifying into different types of products and services. The possibilities are seemingly endless, but having an effective growth strategy goes far deeper than just making big numbers. It should underpin everything you do in order to create predictable and profitable results. Consider what segments you want to target, how you will stay competitive, how you will use data to inform your decision making, and how you will measure success in order to create a successful growth strategy. And number two, setting realistic goals and objectives. Setting realistic goals and objectives is key in creating predictable and profitable growth for any small business. However, this isn't always easy. Many small businesses don't have the resources to implement lofty plans with no roadmap, nor the stomach for future failures. That's why it's important to take smaller steps so that success can be built over time. Setting realistic goals ensures tangible development and allows continual evolution towards a more profitable future. Most importantly, setting workable targets takes the guesswork out of your small business by enabling you to strategize effectively and quantify results. And number three, create a plan to achieve your objectives. Every successful business needs a plan, but it's more important for small businesses. Without clearly defined objectives and strategies to achieve them, it can be difficult, if not impossible, to create predictable and profitable growth. Before getting overwhelmed by the process, remember that it doesn't need to be complicated or lengthy. Start by exploring what success looks like for your business. What are your financial targets? What kind of customer base would you like to have? And once you have some ideas in mind, you can map out steps required to reach your goals, and you'll drive yourself closer to creating that sustainable growth. And if you are enjoying listening to the podcast, please do take some time to subscribe to our show. You can do that in whichever podcast player you happen to be currently listening in. And number four, implement the plan and track results. Once you've created a plan to help create predictable and profitable growth for your business, it's time to implement it. And of course, this can be challenging, but with dedication and commitment, you'll reap the rewards of your hard work. You will need to make sure you track your results of your plan regularly so that you can make any necessary tweaks or changes as you go along. This is the part that so many people miss out. They build out the plan and then they don't actually measure the results against the plan. Ensure that you are following up on the successes and failures of every step as you progress is key for long-term success and for achieving your goals. Number five, adjust your plan as needed. Plans should not be set in stone. When it comes to creating a successful business, having a well thought out plan is essential, and it can help lay out the steps needed to achieve predictable and profitable growth over time. However, it is important not to get stuck in the same plan, even if it has been effective until now. You have to be willing to make adjustments along the way. With the right approach, you can create a strategy that evolves with your business and its changing needs, as well as your changing needs and the changing needs of your family. It will ensure continued success for many years to come. Now, are these steps easy? No, honestly, they're not. They take constant work and constant dedication, and that is part of building a successful business. But making sure that you set aside time to frequently review and tweak every single step in the process means that you will be able to ultimately achieve what you want to achieve and create predictable and profitable growth. Thank you so much for tuning in today to the Financial and Lifestyle Freedom Podcast. Please do make sure that you subscribe in whichever player you happen to be listening in, and it would mean so much to me if you were able to leave us a review. Reviews are the way that other people find our podcast, and so it would be amazing if you can do that as well. Until next time.